Have you ever seen the same person every day, but never talked to them? This is a gentle winter love story. Every morning was very cold. The sky was gray and the air was quiet. Mia stood at the bus stop. She waited for the same bus every day at 8 a.m., and every morning he was there too. He wore a dark coat and a gray scarf. He always looked at his phone. They never talked. One morning it started to snow. The bus was late. Mia felt nervous. She checked her watch again and again. Suddenly, the man looked up. "The bus is late today," he said. "Yes," Mia answered. "It's because of the snow." They smiled a little. Then they waited again. The next day it was cold too, and the bus was late again. "Good morning," the man said. "Good morning," Mia replied. After that, they talked a little every day. About the weather, about winter, about the busy mornings. "My name is Noah," he said one day. "I'm Mia." One evening, snow fell softly. The street lights were bright and warm. Noah looked at Mia and said, "Winter is cold, but I like this time." Mia nodded. "I like it too," she said. "It feels calm." When the bus arrived, they got on together. Before Mia got off, Noah said, "Tomorrow is my last day on this bus." Mia felt surprised. "Oh." Noah smiled gently. "I will miss our mornings," he said. Mia took a breath. "Me too," she said. The next morning, the snow stopped. The sky was clear. At the bus stop, Noah waited. "Would you like to get coffee someday?" he asked. "Only if you want to." Mia smiled. "Yes," she said. "I would like that." The bus arrived. Winter felt quiet and kind.